Patches on the back side really suck. I hate doing them, but it's got to be patched. There's an easier way to do it. A lot of this inner lip has to be replaced, but the nice thing is I can be in here doing this. It's just this patch up on this front wall is like, it's such an awkward spot that I can't really fully move out of the way like I'd like. So once this is welded in, that'll fix this big rotted out hole. And I'm not sure why it rotted out here. I really don't understand why. I can understand the forward stuff, but the side stuff that's not at the lip, just being way up here seems kind of odd. But that'll fix that. That'll get seam sealed, seam sealer around it, and then we'll get undercoated. This one's gonna be fun because this one's kind of high up. I got that. Yeah, that's what I want. Damn it, stay. So this is the patch that's going in. It's got a huge hole right in here that kind of splinters outward. It's an odd spot. This will be easy to take care of. That's an easy one. This in here, that's an easy repair. This one, I'm going to do the outer first. Once the outer's done, then I'll rebuild the inner to fit it. Same with like this, it's got to be repaired. This will get cut out and I'll make a new inner. This is the big one here. It seems like the majority of the rust is all on the passenger side. You can see I still got to cut this out and then make a new piece that fits into that. And then I'll weld all these little stitch, or the cuts, those will get welded. So, yeah, spare tire well came out pretty good. But like, you know, I got to build the inside stuff. But you can see it needs it here too, and here. So that'll get cut out. This dimple probably won't be put back. If I have to end up cutting into it, I'll probably just end up folding it in or something. We'll see. Depends how far the rust goes past, because you can see a little bit like this, but it might go way up into here. So just a lot of this will be cut out. Like this brace will just be completely remade. This brace here will be made. And then the skin for the inner wheel well will come back over it again. So that'll all get remade. So it'll be 3 layers. It's not going to just be one patch over top. Because I don't really like covering up rot, because it just holds everything. This is a different situation. It's very hard to weld a wheel well. At least the way I have to do it. So I cut out a bunch of it, but there's still like a bead in here. But it should be fine once it's all sealed. I don't see it being a problem. So